Do you feel so? You are an incredible dancer. You became incredible after this particular movie.
She's being very modest. She has taught me the steps on the set. What are you doing? That's wrong. You have to do like this. Watch me.
Yeah.
No, actually what happened is I went into the song thinking I'm I'm okay dancer. So when we were rehearsing and all that in the hall, we would do rehearsals, I was thinking I'm doing it so well. I was just showing him because he wasn't dancing much. And I think in that showing him, I got distracted. I stopped learning myself. And then when we got onto the set, you can see clearly who's the better dancer. So I learned a lesson. But the song is a lot of fun. And when you see it, it's a good energy. I think it's one of my favorite tracks that have been in any of my films. When I saw Vishal and Shekhar, I went and I gave them a huge hug. And Sita gave a small hug.
After Dhoom, you feel you're more confident in dancing, in fact. Maybe compared to your last.
After, not particularly after Dhoom, no. I think after...
Sheila ki Jawani
forgot. He's just asking me anything. He's just anything. I think after Race is when I became more comfortable with dance. Like a little bit more excited about it, a little bit more confident.
Hi, I'm from Newstainment. Nitin Bharti मेरा नाम है. ऋतिक, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. कैसे हैं?
मैं bang bang हूँ यार. Full bang bang mood.
और आपके knee के क्या हाल है?
Best knees in the world.
All right, good.
All the problems that you can ever imagine, they are there.
That's very good कि आप बहुत
That
अच्छे.
makes them the best knee in the world because in spite of that, I can do everything. क्या knees हैं? My beautiful knees. I love you, man.
मैं कुछ बीच में इंजरी का सुनने में आया था कि आपने एक गाना इंजरी के साथ शूट किया तो इसलिए मैंने पूछा.
पूरी पिक्चर यार, what गाना?
ऑलराइट, हम लोग के पास थोड़ी सी कम बात आई. आमिर खान ने आपके पहले गाने को देख के कहा कि काश मैं ऋतिक रोशन जैसा डांस कर पाता. इस कॉम्प्लीमेंट के फेवर को रिटर्न करना चाहते हैं आप कुछ कह के आमिर को, या फिर ऐसी कोई चीज आमिर की है जो काश आप कर पाते, अगर आप बताना चाहें.
जितने कपड़े आमिर ने उतारे हैं उतने कपड़े अगर मैं उतार पाता तो आई मतलब वहां तक मैं नहीं पहुंच सकता हूँ. काश कभी पहुंच पाऊं. लेट्स सी.
कैटरीना, आज शब्द नहीं है डिफाइन करने के लिए आप कितने सुंदर लग रहे हैं. बस ये कहता हूँ आप बहुत सुंदर. सिर्फ बीच में ये भी सुनने में आया था कि फिल्म ओवर बजट हो गई तो आप पैसा ज्यादा खर्च हो गया. तो ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, ये दोनों में से सबसे ज्यादा खर्चा किस चीज पर हुआ? सेठ, ये आपसे है.
सॉरी,
मैं
ओवर बजट सुन के मैं थोड़ा लॉस्ट हो गया.
फिल्म
ये वो मोमेंट है जहाँ झूठ बोलने का मौका है.
नहीं, इसीलिए मैं
क्या हुआ बजट?
आई एम आस्किंग ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, सबसे ज्यादा खर्चा किस चीज पर हुआ?
सीरियस क्वेश्चन है. लाइटर नोट पे बता दो.
बहुत लाइट है. सबसे ज्यादा पैसा किस चीज पे खर्चा हुआ? आई थिंक खाने पे हुआ. I think it's food bills. I think Vijay would agree with that.
I think it's a really good question, but I think I think this is that one film which tested us all. मतलब कि इतने we went through this journey, and मेरे हिसाब से if the entire team had not actually displayed the positive energy that they did and support the film, and actually I think what is really interesting is everyone remained focused on the goal, that this is the kind of film we are trying to make. It was not about saying कि अब challenges आ गए हैं, let's now not do that big action scene, etc., etc. So I think this film has really I think it's a wonderful.
The best part is when you spend so much money and nobody complains because it is all looking so beautiful and so fantastic, and you're doing such great work. Even the producer can't complain. You show him the film, he's like. Before, like, अरे यार पैसा इतना खर्च हुआ. पिक्चर देखने के बाद पैसों का ठीक है यार. पिक्चर
क्या कर रहे हो नेक्स्ट शेड्यूल?
थैंक यू सो मच अपने वक्त के लिए. न्यूज़टेनमेंट और नितिन की तरफ से आपको ढेर सारी बताएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.
शुक्रिया.
Hi Ritik.
Hi.
Myself Himesh from Talking Movies. The song looks wonderful.
Thank you.
Question is this song a part of the film or will it be in the end credits or?
You see the film यार.
हाँ यार.
You will discover it in the film.
टाइटल सॉन्ग है बैंग बैंग का. पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म कैसे नहीं होगा?
पर ऐसे songs usually are shown in the end credits. That's why.
हाँ तो you leave the theater or what? You stay in the seat and watch the whole song.
It's worth it waiting.
Okay.
Katrina, we have seen the action star in you a bit in Ek Tha Tiger. With Bang Bang promising to be the biggest Bollywood action adventure, do we get to see a fuller version?
fuller version of what? Of Dhoom 3 in Bang Bang. Ocha, Tiger in Bang Bang. Very difficult question. I leave the stage to her.
It's different. It's different kind of action.
Mind-blowing answer.
Yeah,
It's different.
Have you done all your stunt by yourself, Katrina?
In which movie? Which one?
Tiger. Think she'll allow anybody else to
In
look
Bang
like
Bang.
her?
In Bang Bang, everything that's done, I've done. Yeah. Because there's, I mean, most of the impressive stunts are done by Ritik, except for one, which was decently, no, not my stunt. The bike one, we did most of it on our own. I mean, we did everything on our own. So, yeah, so that was.
I think we wasted money on stunt doubles actually.
Hi guys.
That's
this is
over budget.
Prerna from Rajshri. My question is for both of you, Ritik and Katrina. Movie second को release हो रही है with Heather, which is Shahid Kapoor's movie. तो क्या आप confident हैं कि ये movie bang bang create करेगी box office पर?
2nd of October is going to probably lay a new example where two films, good films, will do fantastic business. Why not?
ठीक है, हाय, कोई भी मूवी आप आते हैं अपने चिल्ड्रंस को बहुत उसके प्रोमो दिखाता है, इसके प्रोमो
आपकी आवाज में बहुत बेस है, थोड़ा माइक से दूर।
सॉरी, आपकी कोई भी मूवी आते हैं सबसे पहले आपके बच्चे देखते हैं, प्रोमो देखते हैं। ये जो सॉन्ग से हमने काफी एंजॉय किया, क्या आपके बच्चे देखे, क्या रिएक्शन था उनका?
सर मेरे बच्चे अभी 8 और 6 साल के हैं, तो उन्होंने अभी भी शुरुआत की है टू सी फिल्म्स। आप तो कह रहे हैं कि वो मेरे फिल्म्स देखते आ चुके हैं, that's not true. But yes, what you're trying to say is that have they seen my film? They've seen the teaser, and I had I had some reservations about the teaser. Lekin when I showed my 2 boys the teaser, they were jumping up and down. I called up, said, "Sit, mind blowing it. Take it. It's done. It's done." So great feedback when you get honest, pure feedback from children who have got no biases, no nothing. They reacted to the music. They reacted to the shots. They were inspired. They want to do it themselves. So I knew we had a great product there.
बट आपको सुपर हीरो तौर पे काफी तरह जानते हो, तो आपको लगता है कि अभी ये डांस दिखने के बाद क्या ज्यादा पहचान पाएंगे, सुपर हीरो या माइकल जैक्सन या ऋतिक रोशन?
मैं सब कुछ हूँ यार. Whatever you want me to do, I will do.
Thank you.
Hey, 6 pack, 8 pack, 12 pack. Do you know 8? Huh? Family pack. I think you all should stop discussing 6 packs and 8 packs and understand what goes behind and what do you need to take from that. You should try and look at the fact that some people out there have put in discipline, consistency, and have done something which probably in their own minds also seemed impossible to do at whatever age. So it is such an inspiring thing. I think instead of रात को over drinks you want to discuss, उसका 6 pack, उसका 8 pack, like सुबह उठ के सोचो कि यार मैं भी कुछ कर सकता हूँ. It's health, it is fitness, it is for all of us. I think we all should be empowered by all the people out there like me, like Shahrukh, who are trying to push our potential to do our best so that we can inspire people. That is the point, and concentrate on that.
ऋतिक, मेरा सवाल वही था कि आपके तो 6 पैक काफी अच्छे हैं, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि आपके अलावा अगर किसी हीरो के 6 पैक जो आपको इंस्पायर करते हैं वो किसका नाम है?
मैं आपको एक बात बोलता हूँ, हम all the people who are over here right now, हम सबके पास 6 packs हैं. वो दिखते नहीं है क्योंकि उसके ऊपर एक लेयर ऑफ फैट है. We all have the 6 pack. सब अंदर है. It's a muscle. You understand? हाँ है. वो दिखते नहीं है. You remove the fat, we all will sit here with 6 packs and remove our shirts and you can show me yours, I'll show you mine. Mind blowing, मजा आएगा. Next time, hopefully. Show me yours first.
Members of the media, sorry to interrupt. Last 3 questions, please.
I truly feel a responsibility now. हम ऐसे बहुत हैं who have achieved a lot, and but I personally feel a responsibility for contributing back to the millions of people who don't have the resources, they don't have the education, but they have the desire. So I really want to do something in that regard, to give back and to educate them with the tools and the education that I have. It's not the best, I don't know it all, but I'm going to do whatever I can to inspire and empower the society, the youth, to get fitter and to achieve their dreams.
Katrina, hi. This side, straight. Katrina, because you guys look always hot together. In fact, and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, you guys like were together, looking really hot. You looked really hot. The lip lock was really good. In this film also, the song looks really sensuous. Aren't you nervous of doing such scenes?